Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how I made this balloon garland. I should have did this before Christmas, but since I'm using snowflakes, it still fits in with the winter theme, or winter because it's still winter in Michigan. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I use two size balloons. I believe one is 12 inch and one is 17 inch. And this is gonna be the base of my garland. And then I just began to make pairs or duplets. I made, I'm not sure how many because I'm doing it along my rail. I don't need that many. And now I'm showing you all how I do my smaller 5-inch balloons. So I make clusters of two, I make duplets, a cluster of 3, and then I make a quad. And I just repeat that, and I make multiple ones. So now I'm showing you how I take my duplets and I make them into clusters of 8. And I tried to use like 2 big balloons inside of each cluster. And now I'm taking the neck of the balloons and I'm attaching them together. It really cuts down on using material. And when I'm blowing up the balloons, I'm trying to make sure I leave a lot of that neck available so that I can be able to attach them by the neck. Okay, now I'm using some 260 balloons and I made 3 attachments and I'm just attaching it to the rail. Here I'm filling in the gap at the top of the garland. So I put on a quad of 4 and then I put on a large balloon. I created this with a 260 to fill in, to attach my 5-inch clusters. And I really love the quads because if you have like depressions in your garland, it helps to like lift them up. But I'm just showing you here how I use the 260 balloon to attach my 5-inch clusters. And then in some instances like there, I'm just using the neck of the balloons to put in my 5-inch balloons. But I try to keep my 5-inch balloons centered. I just think it looks so much more prettier when they're centered. And for the snowflakes, you probably noticed me just sticking them in between the balloons and they stayed pretty well. Feel free to add flowers or anything else to your garland. I tried to just keep it simple because I really wanted to add some poinsettia flowers to it, but it would have just been too Christmassy, and I'm after the Christmas season doing this. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.